I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna talk.
Uy! Where are you taking my ukulele? I'm getting my ukulele fixed. Look at my ukulele. She's so kawawa. We're getting you fixed. Do I need it? No. Looks cute though. Cute. Yeah. Owner was out for lunch, so we're gonna get lunch first too before we go to the mall and get this fixed. Tayo guys, kain. Anong kainin mo?
Just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be.
Someone's watching. Why are you all watching? Is he gone? Ay, may tribe. Tribe na tayo. Masuklay ka? Pangit ko. Oh my God. Ganyan ka naman lagi ah. Charot. Ba't ba nila? Wala. Meron akong tinatawag. Oh my goodness, my crumbs pa from CI.
While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise will be on.
Meron ako. Kamat. Oo. Eh, natiyas bilog ka. Thank you po. Ano sa'yo po? Bakit yung buhay? Why is it so close to my face? Nakuya. Ako sa may shirt. We're done. Tara na. Let's get this ukulele fixed. Andiyan na siya. Ayan na kuya. Get it fixed. Papalit.
Parang ang saya-saya daw, tapos
Why did I pluck it in front of him? That was so awkward.
ano yung magpapalitan natin lahat?
Opo. Saka po may nawawala po kasi siyang ganun.
Pre, sandali lang, tawag ka na lang ulit. 50 plus 150 plus 50, 550.
Eto po kuya.
Sige po. Babalikan nyo na lang.
Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you kuya. Oh my gosh. Bye-bye.
Oh, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide.
This is what I'm looking for. This one. Bakit ayaw niya magpakuha, Day? Super secure naman niya. Sige. Ang sige! Give me one. Ayaw niya ako paggastusin. There we go. Found ya. 165. Hiningal ako dun, Day.
Ang dalampot?
Ah.
Masa na niya?
Ah.
Ano to?
Ah. Sorry, ngayon na lang kasi nakalabas. Ay. Is that close? No. No, it's a bit gray. No, it's too dark. Can you help me? Kung ano. I feel like this one. Now. Okay, I can do this. Sige.
Ito talaga sisi ko.
Ayo.
Ito talaga type.
Ano, pick a concealer. Ha? Ginagawa mo! Sobrang shiny mo! What did you do?
Kasi ipan mo yung
Camera sa akin. Diba?
I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby? What's the move? We should take a trip.
I want that ugly one. Binibenta kayo nila ng separate?
Nandun siya sa harap eh.
Saan? I want one. Ba't daw wala kayo sa bahay? Dumaan siya?
Ma'am?
Akala ko dumaan siya.
Ito na rin yung ano mo. Wala memory. I thought I ate in that. I thought I ate in this one. Like,
Hindi. Bag secured.
dito yung labasan.
Nahihilo ako sa'yo ah.
Bag na lang bilhin ko.
Fee check. Ikaw. Fee check. Tingnan ang damit mo.
Ang sapatos.
Sa ba?
Skechers.
Uy! That is cute. It's a samurai cut.
Doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats scrambled.
Yes, yun may masamang matanda minsan sumasakay sa...
Matanda at bata.
Isa ka lang bang sasakay?
Hindi, dalawa tayo.
Magdaan tayo.
With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go.
Yung taga bruta. Magpariya pa tayo, guys. Walang natin. Try mo rin tayo lang. Madiri naman. Kumuha ka ng bago. Bakit? Ito lang. It's calling me. No, naka 2,000 na ako. Hindi ka, sorry. Hindi ka atin sa budget. Lamay siya ang tatay. Wala. Tingin ka headphones. Wow.
My goodness! Sabi ko 1,000 lang. Ito na lang, literal.
Wait.
Where did it go?
Yeah. Value with the game. Okay, yan. Is it? May H pa?
Misspell ko kasi. It's much worse than Kali with the K. I've got hazelnut chocolate. It's supposed to be regular, but they put
That you have.
put the large one, and I couldn't speak. They put this agad, so sure mo na. May 200 pa pala ako, tapos may 1,000 pa ako kay Auntie. So, sabi ko kanina, magkano nagagastos eh?
1,000. Baka no?
Ay, tinapin mo?
Pwede naman eh.
Okay,
Hawakan mo. Para hindi dumaan, hawakan mo kahit.
Hindi ako nga, nilagay ko diba na sa wallet. Ginanon ko na.
Tinga lang. Like half ng price
Half.
ng earth. Ang dali lang.
Ayun. Spotlight.
Bibili ako. Huwag mo ko i-judge.
Then, another ko kabili. I bought
Essential yan eh.
glue gun. Essential makeup. Essential na yun. And I bought 3 makeup. Okay, we're back. I bought 3 items. This one is concealer, stain gloss, and brow gel. That was all. Okay lang, I deserve it. Okay. Hindi talaga ako pwede sa malalamig na. Tinigil na ako eh. Okay lang yan. Palabas hindi ka pa gumagastos eh.
Kita mo ba kung magkano simulin ta?
Wait lang.
Effective natin na lang.
Okay, let's go.
Dati, kung ba marunong umakyat ang hagdan?
Hinihingal ako. We're gonna stay. Baliktad mo, sunog na.
Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, when we gon'
That's a blind box in the basic girl allegations.
Ano yung gusto mong kunin dito?
Anything, pero fryo ko to.
Ano yung pinaka... Huwag na sabihin ko.
Well, naririnig nila, nakuha ko dun si ano yun.
Feeling ko ito nga yun. Anya! What happened to you? Naging curly head si Stitch. Ano? Pinindot. Ah! 290.
Wait lang. Bisan mo, ang bagal mo naman. Ang gaspang.
So, gaspang.
Cute niya. Curly lang hair niya. Cute niyang cute.
Ano ba yan?
All they want without care. I bought, wait lang, update ko lang yung bills. With who? Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Lang! Ay, na-shake pati siya. Ito po gusto ko. Tayo. Right. Pero sarap. Lumipad na 500.
Sila mo na makita mo yung light.
Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Who's that?
Yung may brush.
Yung baliktad pala yung ano.
Nakita ko na pala dito ba? Hindi. Swansea finish. Kaya pala siya mabigat kasi may brush siya sa loob.
Sabi sa'yo baka may accessory nga eh.
Do you feel bonita? Pero pusa siya, which is fine.
And it's white and it has pink bow. It has pink bow on the back ng ano. Kaya ayoko sa gato kasi nandidisappoint ako eh.
Buti hindi may kulay. Ayoko yun eh. Hindi ko sinabi. Ika.
Okay. Kaya na? Bye. Picture ka na.
Wala, partners.
Where? Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Toddler.
Hala. Ang cute nila.
Ang pangit.
That is so ugly. Look at that teeth. B. Ito yung pag nabuhay sa Toy Story, matatakot ka. Oo, sige. Diyos ka po. Ito ba yung ano, yung binabagsak nila sa building? Ito nga yun. Yung ano, kukong na kulay brown. Ang bigat pala niya, be. Ang mamahal pala ng Barbie. Tapos, sinusulat-sulatan ko lang yung mukha niya. Si Raya! And Merida! Oh my God! Oh no! I can see her. Her Dreamtopia. Girl, what is that lip bite?
Nandiyan ako doon. Try me.
Oh, what is she? What is she?
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when it's
Yung isa niya, ano siya sa manipis?
Makipagagawan ka kay kuya.
Hindi kami lang. Para ano ba yung
Tawad kuya.
Thank you, kuya.
Iyak. Sige po. Bibigyan ka na ng kape para sumaya ka.
We got her. Big back. Bye! Uy, sakto, lobat na ako. Babay ka na. Lobat na.